tip to Chad Folkstead and his staff too for putting together the tribute video. I thought it was really well done. Towns knocks down the triple.
No.
Well, one of the most memorable for me was the last night that he played at Staples Center as Andrew knocks down the triple in that game.
Although that's not even, I don't know if that's even 100% accurate, because when the night started, we thought we were going over to watch and that there is no long-term prognosis at this point for Allen Crabbe, just that he's out tonight, and they're going to see what transpires the rest of the week as Towns a break after this game tonight. Bjelica from deep, and Belly is spot on. 43% coming into the game. Wiggins with an answer. In Milwaukee, that's one of those plays we'll never forget. It was so unexpected. Buddy Hield knocks down a three. Fox able to get right down the paint and finishes.
Queta, who's such a great cutter, be out there on the floor with Karl-Anthony Towns. It's such a good thing. We saw him cutting last game as second.
Who's now been coming off the bench these last couple of games. Sacramento, if you're not winning a championship, you probably need to be thinking about reshuffling.
How those things tend to go in this league, especially for teams that are scuffling a little bit.
Well, especially for teams that, oh my goodness, everything is going in right now.
I said, hey, you can pay tribute to Kobe by playing your hearts out in this game tonight. And so Andrew's showing that right here.
Hield drills the three. I mean, this has all the makings right now of being a game the Timberwolves have sorely needed for a while. And Andrew Wiggins adding to the... A lot of people would pay good money for that, Curtis.
He did not need to lose 10 pounds. Trust me.
Covington, what a night. Part of the reason is they've got 14 assists on their 18 makes. They are sharing the basketball. McLaughlin. See, now I'm thinking. Covington.
Well, Minnesota needed that.
Sure did.
Come on now.
Covington. Covington open look. But if the Timberwolves keep hitting threes, it's going to be awful.
TV, man, it was wrong tab. I was like, that's Toronto. We haven't even been to Toronto yet.
Towns.
The starting lineup that has not done much. That was his first hoop right there.
Barnes. It is a collaborative team effort.
It really is. And then Ryan Saunders, like when they go through the offensive part of the scouting part, oh my goodness.
Andrew cannot miss, and he's got a chance. Still a long ways to go in this one. McLaughlin. Man. And there it is. Timberwolves just matched the front. Hield tries to attack, kicks it out. Kings get a three from Bazemore. Bjelica. And Ryan Saunders wants a timeout. And might start thinking that, hey, maybe we can get back in this thing. Instead, it's McLaughlin.
And J-Mac just making stuff. He started, you know, in Summer League. He opened up a lot of eyes, didn't he, Dave?
Towns gets to the bucket and one.
And they don't care, you know, because they know Minnesota's doing the same thing. They're just spreading the floor with Karl-Anthony Towns. What a finish by Andrew.
Big Kobe passed in.
I think it's going to be one of those things that's going to last for a long. It's going to be a lasting impact because as Bjelica knocks that down.
And Bogdanovic, who had an awful start to this game now.
Who is going to give that speech? And maybe you just do, I mean, I saw some things on Twitter. People were throwing out ideas of what to do. Is whatever happens, it'll be fantastic. But he Hield cans that.
Hey, this thing suddenly is getting to be a... Hield hits another.
Nice screen by Harrison Barnes.
9 boards, 8 assists to go along with the 28 points. Wiggins for 3. And he just set a new career high for himself.
So they could use another 3. Good switch that time. Like Carl got up there, took the ball out of Buddy Hield's hands.
Hield.
Oh yeah, he's feeling it.
Timberwolves 22 made threes tonight, is tied for the 5th most in a game by a team this season. Hield pulls up with Napier in his grill. Are you kidding me?
If you were making, I'm saying.
Oh my goodness, De'Aaron Fox throws it off the front of the rim and ties the game. Are you kidding? Feeds it in, Towns with the catch, the release. And we're going to overtime. Napier drives into the paint, and the Timberwolves strike first here in OT. De'Aaron Fox hurries it up the floor, and Fox is going to have a chance to give Towns for three. Napier comes up with an offensive board. Covington fires a three, and Covington connects. Bielitsa to tie it back up, and it is tied. Wiggins, the long two, connects.
Everybody's sitting forward in their seat.
Fox trying to tie it back up, and he got fouled. Shot clock down to 5. Bogdanovich, oh man, bad. 2-point lead for the Kings. Wiggins, and then some. Still 40 seconds. Wiggins trying to tie it back up. Finds Okogie underneath. Can't get it to drop. Battle for the rebound. Okogie comes down with it and throws it up. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Fox drives inside, and they're going to whistle the reach-in foul. Culver gets it into Wiggins. Andrew for the tie. Can't get it to drop. Rebounded by the Kings. Wiggins gets a three away. And this is one of the more improbable losses.
All right, cool.